Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create page turn animation in After Effects. Let's start. I have already imported my files. So first create a new composition. Name it as page turn animation. Set preset HDTV 1080. Change frame rate to 30. Here I will set time duration for 2 seconds. Now let's create a new solid. This will be our background. Name it as background. Here you can set any color you want for your background. Here you can add your image or your video files. Now select image 1. In Effects and Preset search for CC Page Turn. Add it to Media Composition. Now change Control to Classic UI. Change fold radius value to 300. Adjust the light direction to 100. Now change back page to none. Now change back opacity to 100%. You can also change paper color. Select the fold position anchor point and drag the anchor point below the image as shown. Now go up 10 frames, create a keyframe for fold position. Now go at 20 frames, now change the position as shown. You can see our page is turning. Now go up 1 second, change position it in such a way that the whole image get hidden. Now at 20 frames create a keyframe for fold direction. Now go at 1 second. Change folder direction to -90 degree. Now search for drop shadow, add it to media composition. Change the opacity to 100%. Change distance value to 0. Change softness value to 500. Let's see the preview. Similarly, you can create animation for image 3. Search for CC Page Turn. Add it to image 3. Change control to Classic UI. Change light direction to 100 degree. Change fold radius to 300. Change back page to none. Change back opacity to 100%. Now at 1 minute and 10 frames. Position the marker as shown. Create a keyframe for fold position. Now go up 20 frames, change position as shown. Now go at end of the timeline again, change position as shown. Now come back to 20 frames. Create a keyframe for fold direction. Go at end of the timeline. Change folder direction to -90. Now search for drop shadow. Add it to media composition. Change opacity to 100%. Distance value to 0. Softness value to 500. Now let's see the preview. Here our page turn animation is complete. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.